Now let's log in as the account admin for the retail, and your login credentials would have been provided to you from National Tickets when your account is created. So you enter your agent login ID, then your password, then you click on login. Then you are taken to the dashboard where you see your profile, which shows your company name is National Tickets, login ID is Simukai, and you are at the head office, and then your email address, your name, and then the agent type, which is retail chain, passport number, phone number, and your details. You can edit the details up to your preference, but you are not changing anything, so you go on and click on save. You can also choose to change your password when you fear that your account has been tampered with. So you enter your old password, new password, confirm the new password, click submit, and your password will be reset. But in this case, we are not going to change anything. So the next tab is the search tab, which allows you to search for tickets that would have been booked within your retail. So it allows you to pick a specific user who would have made the booking. So let's say it's supervisor 1 or Avonlea. So you click on their login ID, you enter the ticket number that you want to search, then you enter search, and the ticket will show if it exists within the system. So on recharge balance, on this tab, it allows you to recharge your account with National Tickets. So we have quite a number of options that you can use to recharge your account. First being the online transfer request, then instant recharge, cash deposit, and check deposit. So the online transfer request, you first transfer money you want to recharge to National Tickets bank account. After making the payment, then National Tickets will recharge your account. So you enter the amount deposited, the date you made the deposit, the bank account to which the deposit was made, and then the transaction number associated with the deposit, then the comment. Then when you click submit, an email will be sent to our accounts department and they'll take over on the recharge. You can also choose to do an instant recharge. So this instant recharge makes use of pay now. So you choose your option, then you enter the amount you want to recharge. Then when you click pay and recharge, it takes you to the pay now login interface where you need to log in as guest and complete the transaction from there. The other option that you can use is a cash deposit. So after you made a cash deposit to the bank, you enter the amount you deposited, the date, the bank account, the reference number, branch, and then the comments, and then submit. Then an email will be sent to our accounts department and they will handle the balance recharge. Once the recharge is made, the balance amount changes and you get an SMS notification that tells you that your account has been recharged by National Ticket. And then on reports, here you see payment report, which shows you a report of the recharges that would have been made to your account from National Tickets and the recharges that would have made to your branches. So let's pick some dates. Let's pick from June to July and search. So these are the transactions that have been made within your account. Then on the booking report, you can use it to balance your daily balancing report that you send to National Tickets from every branch within your retail. So you choose your dates. Let's choose 25 June to 10. And then select the branch that you want to balance with. As you can see, you have Avonlea, CBD, and Greencroft. So let's choose Avonlea and then search. So that's the report for Avonlea. In total, they booked 16 tickets and then they received $836. and then the commission to be paid to the branch is $25. You can also view the tickets that were booked on a specific date. For example, on 10 July 2019, 4 tickets were booked and they received a total amount of $116, and the commission for the day is $3.48. So when you click view, you see the tickets that were booked, and these tickets, they were booked by Avonlea user 1. You can also view further the details of the bookings. So the booking was paid using cash, and the actual amount received was $58, and then this amount was received in cash and the currency was USD. So the grand total for the selected dates is 16 tickets with a total amount received of $836.20, and then the commission to be paid for the branch would be $25.08. You can use this report to balance each branch's reports that they would have provided to you at the end of the day. On the agent collected report, this report allows you to select specific users within branches so that you can see their booking reports. So let's pick from 1 June to 10. Then for the branches, you can choose for yourself, for all users, and then for all branches. And then for Avonlea branches, you can choose for all users within Avonlea or for specific user within the branch. So let's pick for Avonlea user 1 and see their booking report. Now, as you can see, this report breaks down the bookings according to the currency that was used for the tickets payment. So the currency used to pay is US dollars, and for Avonlea user 1, these are the tickets that they booked using USD, and then we have the transaction numbers for the tickets that were booked, and then the type of payment that was used for the bookings. So we can see we have $58 paid in cash, another 58 in cash, 60 in Eco Cash, 60 in Eco Cash, and the other 60 again in cash, and then the other 120 was paid using swipe, giving us a grand total of $416 in USD. Then on Rand currency, Avonlea user 1 made the bookings, and then for cash they had 850 and 2,568 rands. So the grand total for the bookings that they made for these dates were 3,418 rands. So you can use this report to balance the cash ups that will be provided by the branch supervisors. You can also select for all branches to get an overview of what the bookings from all the branches were like. So as you can see, we have euros, we have US dollar bookings, we have rand bookings. So for euros, user 1 Greencroft made the bookings, and the first amount was received in cash, the second amount in Eco Cash, the other amount in swipe, and then the last amount was received in mobile money, giving us a total of 211 euros. For the US dollars, it's the same, and the same for the rands, and the grand totals received for each currency. So that's it for the agent collected reports. Moving on to branch management. This section allows you to manage your branches. So you can create, you can modify your branches, you can add balance to your branches, or you can remove balance from other branches to other branches. So as you can see, we have 3 branches within the retail: Avonlea Harare, CBD branch, Greencroft branch. So you can edit the details of a branch, you can change number, you can change the address, the city, and the province, and click on update. So let's go on and create a branch. So let's give it a name. So the branch name will be Mutare CBD branch. The address will be 123 Robert Mugabe Street. The town is Mutare. The mobile number for the branch, and then the province is Manicaland. The country is Zimbabwe. Then zip code, you can just put 00263, and then create. Branch Mutare CBD created successfully. Click OK. So if you go back to branch management, now we see we have an addition, Mutare CBD branch. As you can see currently, the balance is 0, which means Mutare branch cannot do any bookings since they do not have credit for them to start making the bookings. So let's go on to add the balance for the branch. So you click on add balance, enter the amount you want to recharge. So let's recharge them at 2,500, and then you write your comment. Mutare CBD branch recharge, then select the branch Mutare CBD, then add balance, successfully updated balance. Click on OK. Let's go back to branch management. So now you can see Mutare branch now has a balance of 2,500, which means now they can start making some bookings within the branch. So you can choose to remove balance from your branches and add it to another branch later. So let's remove balance from Greencroft branch. So first of all, we need to take note of your balance, which is currently at $140,545. So go on and click remove balance. So we need to remove 1,000. Removed from Greencroft branch, then select the branch Greencroft and then remove balance. Successfully updated balance. Click on OK. And let's see the effect. Go on to branch management. So on Greencroft, our balance is reduced by 1,000 and our balance increased here by 1,000. So now it means we have enough balance here to move to any of the branches that are within our retail. So on to user management. So this tab allows you to manage all the users that you have within the retail. So as you can see, we have a total number of 6 users. You can filter them according to the branch. You can choose for Avonlea, only for CBD, only for Greencroft, only for Mutare branch. You can choose to edit these users, so you can change their name, you can change their mobile number, their status from being active to inactive, or approved or registered, and then you can change their user type. So supervisor 1 in Avonlea Harare is branch supervisor, so you can change from supervisor to branch user. Then the business type remains, and then the plan type, and then you can update. So let's go on and create a user for the Mutare CBD branch. So first of all, you need to select the branch name, which is Mutare. Select user type, which is going to be the branch supervisor. Then the login ID, is Mutare supervisor. Then the password, confirm the password. The email ID is going to be supervisor@mutare.co.zw, and then the name of the supervisor, we just named them supervisor, their mobile number, and then their town or city, zip code, their address 123 Robert Mugabe Street, then province is Manicaland, then create. So the password is not strong, so let's edit the password, click on create. So user created successfully. Okay, if we go under user management, so now we have Mutare CBD branch, and then we have login ID as Mutare supervisor, their name is supervisor, mobile number, status, they are just registered, which means they are not able to make any bookings or manage anyone within the branch. And then the user type is branch supervisor, and then the business type is the retail chain, and then their plan type, you can then choose edit the supervisor's details. So we are activating, changing from registered to active, then update. When the user Mutare supervisor logs into their account, now they are able to make bookings because their branch is balance and they are active within the system. So let's go on again and create a user for the Mutare CBD branch. So it's Mutare CBD branch user, login ID. Let's give them Mutare user 1. Then the password, confirm the password, email ID user 1 at mutare.co.zw, name is Wasu, their mobile number, then city is Mutare, zip code 00263, village 123 Robert Mugabe Street, then the province is Manicaland. You can create, then you go under user management. So for the Mutare CBD, now we have Mutare user 1. We still registered, so the branch supervisor can activate the user, or you as the account admin can still activate the user. So let's activate the user. So this means you as the account admin can only create users, you can only create the branch supervisors, or the power to do so rests within you. And on the settings, you can choose to allow the branch supervisors and users under your retail to see the commission that they get, but let's just leave it as it is and let it be like that. So that's for the account admin.